Hello student, welcome to NBGI class 10 subject history. Today's topic is Swaraj Party. In which year the Swaraj Party was established and why the Swaraj Party was established. When we have seen the Mahatma Gandhi was withdrawn in 1922 the non-cooperation movement. So the many peoples are hurted the decision of Mahatma Gandhi, and also the many Congress leader also the decision hurted was the decision of Mahatma Gandhi. So the two leaders, या main leader of the Indian National Congress like C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru was established the Swaraj Party in 1923. What is the aim of Swaraj Party? We have seen the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji says the non-cooperate to the any way to the British government. So what is the aim of Swaraj Party established? So he says कि we have participate in the election of legislative council and goes to the assembly and oppose to the policy of the British government. Opposed to the British government because when the First World War was ended, the situation are very difficult to the Indian poor peoples because we have seen the end of First World War, the British government increasing the excise duty, taxes on the land and agriculture work, and he started many taxes. So the people's conditions are very poor and also the price are also high. So the economical conditions are very hard. In 1926 we have seen also. So the Swaraj Party goes to the assembly and goes to the assembly and opposed to the policy of the British government, and he found that when the election are held in 1923, he found the big majority in the party in the legislative council में. Then and he was a very popular in 2 or 3 years. When the C.R. Das died in 1925, the party's popularity decreases as and it was destroyed. When in 1927 we have seen the Simon Commission. Why the Simon Commission are composed? We have seen when the passed the 1919 Act, it was survey in India. What is the effect? It was survey in India. What is the effect of 1919? It was this Simon Commission. Our total members are 7, but not a single person of India show the Indian leaders and people thinks no any persons including in India in this commission. So he was not aware to the Indian Commission. So he opposed the Simon Commission. When the Simon Commission reached in 1928. 1928. Many are Indian people opposed to the Simon Commission. Every places peoples are wear the black particular and he seen the black flag stretch in many places, and also we have seen incidents of Lahore when the opposed Bal Gangadhar Tilak and many others peoples. The British government, the policemen are started the lathi charge, and the Lala Lajpat Rai are hurted in this incidents, and after some time he was died also. So you have read and write Swaraj Party and the Simon Commission. Thank you.